Which of the following statements is not correct? So if we consider yi, so yi is nothing but beta I plus epsilon I, where epsilon I follows normal 0, 1 and they are all IID. So that means T1 is 2 times y bar by n plus 1. So that is 2 by n plus 1 summation I is equals to 1 to n yi divided by n. So that is nothing but 2 by n into n plus 1 summation I is equals to 1 to n yi. So that means expectation of T1 is equals to 2 by n into n plus 1, which is summation I is equals to 1 to n expectation of yi. So that is 2 by n into n plus 1 expectation of I is equals to 1 to n beta I. So that means this is nothing but 2 by n into n plus 1. So beta into n into n plus 1 by 2. So that is nothing but beta. So therefore we can say that T1 is unbiased. Now if we consider T2, so T2 is nothing but 1 by n summation I is equals to 1 to n yi by I. So that is nothing but 1 by n summation I is equals to 1 to n. So beta I plus epsilon I by I. So that is nothing but 1 by n summation I is equals to 1 to n beta plus epsilon I by I. So that is nothing but beta plus 1 by n summation I is equals to 1 to n epsilon I by I. So expectation of T2 is equals to beta plus 1 by n summation I is equals to 1 to n expectation of epsilon I by I. So that is nothing but beta. So therefore T2 is also unbiased. So if we compute the variances, so T1 is equals to 2 by n into n plus 1 summation I is equals to 1 to n yi. So that is 2 by n into n plus 1 summation I is equals to 1 to n beta I plus epsilon I. So that means variance of T1 is equals to 2 by n into n plus 1 whole square summation I is equals to 1 to n variance of epsilon I. So that means that is nothing but 2 by n into n plus 1 whole square into n. So that is 4 by n into n plus 1 whole square. Then the similar way variance of T2 is equals to 1 by n square summation I is equals to 1 to n variance of epsilon I by I square. So that is nothing but 1 by n square summation I is equals to 1 to n 1 by I square. So that means if we compare these two, so we know that this summation I is equals to 1 to n square is nothing but pi square by 6. So 1 by n square pi square by 6. So if we compare these two, so variance of this T1 is less than variance of T2. So therefore option C is the correct answer.